How will I know if I have lost a hair follicle after receiving a hair transplant surgery? Well, a very simple trick, and it's usually correct, but not always, so please consult your doctor, is if you lose a follicle of grafted hair after approximately 7 days, you will see some pinpoint bleeding. Simply because of the anatomical location where we implant the graft into the scalp, if this was to become dislodged, there would be some pinpoint bleeding to be expected. If there's not, and you simply see some hair and some dead skin, this is entirely normal. So usually this is the case, and I do hope this assures you guys.